In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Dropbox with Paperform. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their file management process by automatically transferring upload files from Paperform directly into Dropbox. Whether you're collecting resumes, images, or any other documents, this integration will save you time and keep everything organized. Let's begin by opening your form in the Paperform editor. Once you're in, take a look at the interface and locate the top menu where you'll see an option labeled After Submission. Click on this option, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Integrations and Webhooks. This is where you'll find the tools you need to connect Paperform with various external platforms, including Dropbox. Now that you're in the Integrations and Webhooks section, you'll notice several icons representing different services. Look for the Dropbox icon among the direct integrations and give it a click. This will prompt you to choose an action. For our purposes, you'll want to select the Upload Files action. This action is designed to automatically transfer files from Paperform submissions into your selected Dropbox folder. The next step is connecting your Dropbox account to Paperform. You'll see an option labeled Add Account Plus. Click on this and you'll be guided through a series of on-screen instructions. These instructions will help you log into your Dropbox account and authorize Paperform to access it. This permission is necessary to allow Paperform to upload files on your behalf. If you already have your Dropbox account linked from a previous integration, your account will be automatically selected. But don't worry if this is your first time. The process is straightforward. Simply follow the prompts, and once connected, you'll be able to see your account in the drop-down menu. And that's it. Once everything is set up, you can confidently gather form submissions, knowing that any files attached will be directly uploaded to your Dropbox account. This seamless integration not only saves you from manually transferring files, but also keeps everything neatly organized and readily accessible in your Dropbox folder. Remember, integrations are a powerful way to automate tasks and improve your workflow. Now that you've connected Paperform and Dropbox, you might want to explore other integrations that can further enhance your productivity. If you run into any issues, both Paperform and Dropbox support documentation offer extensive resources, and reaching out to their support teams is always an option if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more videos that will guide you through making the most out of your digital tools. Happy integrating!